these trendy guns again. So today I want to open the packages. So yeah. So not I don't say the thing. So this thumbs up and subscribe and comment down what you want to say from me. So the packaging I got later you see now. So I have the bag, it's so cute. And the bag was at here. Oh my god, the Starbucks, and I like it that this have this Starbucks this bag. This bag is so cute. Yeah, I like it. So he have give me this some surprise for me. So yeah. Oh, it have sound. So I have this. Some these have my name is here. I have two, and this is the original, and this is oh my god. So yeah, this is I like it. Oh my god, and this I like it. Thank you. So another one, he give me the slime. Oh my god, this is a slime and I like it, this slime. And he have given me this. So open the slime now. So this is the slime. But this is super good. And another one, I got this plastic bag. I don't know what is the plastic bag. So open now the packaging. So I want to open this packaging and I want to see what is this. This is I want this. This is what? This is a squishy. I don't know, but oh my god, this is super slow squishies. Oh my god, this is I like it. Oh, this is my present. So yeah, thank you. I love you.